Today, I am reviewing the Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 AI business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 is an impressive business machine that marks a significant step forward for mobile professionals who refuse to compromise on screen real estate, battery efficiency, or processing capability. Over the last couple of weeks, I have put this 16-inch laptop through its paces, treating it not just as an office workstation, but as a primary machine for heavy multitasking, content consumption, and data management. Lenovo has built a reputation on the back of the ThinkPad name, representing rock-solid reliability and legendary input devices, and this specific iteration holding the Intel Ultra 7 255U processor carries that legacy forward into the modern AI-accelerated era. It is clear right from the start that this laptop is built for the individual who needs a dependable workhorse that stays cool under pressure and offers enough power to blast through spreadsheets, database management, and creative projects without breaking a sweat. When you first unbox the ThinkPad T16 Gen 4, the classic, utilitarian aesthetic immediately lets you know that it means business. The dark, sleek, and durable chassis feels incredibly sturdy, reassuring you that it can withstand the bumps and scrapes of daily commuting or travel. Opening the lid reveals the gorgeous 16-inch WUXGA display, which features a crisp 1920 by 1200 resolution. The move to a 16:10 aspect ratio is a massive win for productivity because that extra vertical space makes an enormous difference when you are reading long documents, writing code, or managing complex timelines. You spend far less time scrolling and more time actually absorbing information. The matte anti-glare finish combined with 300 nits of brightness ensures that you can work comfortably in brightly lit office environments, coffee shops, or next to a sunny window without being distracted by harsh reflections. The colors are accurate, the text is razor sharp, and the viewing angles are excellent thanks to the IPS panel technology, which makes long hours staring at the screen much easier on the eyes. At the absolute core of this machine is the Intel Ultra 7 255U processor, and this chip is an absolute powerhouse for a business laptop. It easily outclasses older 13th generation iterations like the Core i7 1355U by offering enhanced efficiency and much improved integrated graphics performance. Clocking up to 5.2 GHz and backed by 12 MB of cache, this processor handles demanding applications with absolute grace. When you pair this cutting-edge CPU with a massive 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory, multitasking becomes completely seamless. I have consistently run dozens of demanding browser tabs alongside massive Excel workbooks, communication apps, and background data processes, and the laptop never hitched or stuttered for a single moment. Everything opens instantly, and switching between heavy apps is completely fluid. Storage duties are handled by a generous 1TB NVMe solid-state drive, which provides incredibly fast read and write speeds. Booting into the operating system takes mere seconds, large file transfers finish almost immediately, and applications load without any frustrating delays. Of course, a ThinkPad would not be a ThinkPad without its iconic keyboard, and the T16 Gen 4 delivers one of the finest typing experiences available on any modern laptop. The keys have an incredibly satisfying travel distance and a crisp, tactile response that makes typing out long reports or emails an absolute pleasure. It is spill-resistant, which gives you incredible peace of mind if you like to keep a cup of coffee or water on your desk while you work. The inclusion of a dedicated number pad is a massive bonus for accounting, financial modeling, or data entry tasks. The backlight is subtle yet bright enough to make working in low-light environments perfectly comfortable. For security, the integrated fingerprint reader allows for rapid, secure, and reliable one-touch logins, completely eliminating the need to type in complex passwords every time you wake up the machine. Sitting at the top of the display bezel is a high-quality 5-megapixel webcam that completely elevates your video conferencing experience. Your face looks clear, sharp, and natural during remote meetings, making it ideal for professional presentations or collaboration sessions over Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Connectivity is another area where this laptop completely shines, making it incredibly versatile for any workspace setup. Lenovo has packed this machine with an outstanding array of modern ports, so you can leave your annoying dongles behind. You get a super-fast USB-4 Thunderbolt port for high-speed data transfer and external monitor support, alongside standard USB-C and USB-A ports for all your legacy peripherals. There is a full-sized HDMI 2.0 port for hooking up to conference room projectors or external monitors, and a dedicated RJ45 Ethernet jack for times when you need a secure, rock-solid wired network connection. On the wireless front, the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support ensure that you enjoy the fastest wireless internet speeds and stable connections to your wireless headphones, mice, and smartphones. Running Windows 11 Pro out of the box, this machine provides all the advanced security, remote management, and corporate deployment features that business IT environments require, while still remaining intuitive and user-friendly for individual professionals or students. With a comprehensive dual warranty covering both Lenovo and the OEM original build for a full year, the peace of mind matching this laptop is exceptional. Ultimately, the Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 stands out as a premier, high-performance business laptop that perfectly balances raw computing power with long-term durability and immense comfort, making it a spectacular investment for anyone serious about their productivity.